Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SimpliSafe camera system, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your SimpliSafe camera system. Lay out all components for easy access. Identify the camera, power adapter, mounting hardware, and any necessary cables. First, choose a location for your camera. Ensure it's within range of your Wi-Fi network for optimal connectivity. Once you've selected the spot, use the mounting hardware to secure the camera. If you're wall mounting, drill the necessary holes and insert the anchors. Attach the camera to the wall bracket firmly. Next, plug in the power adapter to the camera. Then, connect the other end to a nearby outlet. Now, turn on the camera. Wait for the LED indicator to light up, signaling that it's powered on. Download the SimpliSafe app from your mobile device's app store. Open the app and sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Select Add New Device from the app's main menu. Choose the camera from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once the connection is successful, the app will confirm the setup. You can now customize settings such as motion detection and recording options. Test the camera's view through the app to ensure it's positioned correctly. Adjust the angle if necessary for optimal monitoring. That's it. Your SimpliSafe camera system is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.